Welcome to our channel. Today we how to restore marketplace income reporting in Amazon Seller Central, complete guide step by step clearly. To restore marketplace income reporting in Amazon Seller Central, start by logging into your Amazon Seller Central account. Navigate to the Reports tab in the main menu. Under the Reports section, select Fulfillment. Once in the Fulfillment Reports, locate the Payments subsection. Click on Payments to access your income reports. You may find that some reporting options are missing or not functioning properly. To resolve this, check if your account is in good standing. Ensure that you have provided all necessary tax information and documents. If your tax information is incomplete, submit the required forms to Amazon. Next, check for any notifications or alerts in your Seller Central dashboard. Address any outstanding issues indicated in the notifications. If the options are still not visible, consider verifying your permissions. Navigate to Settings in the top right corner. Select User Permissions to review your account access levels. Make sure you have the correct permissions to view income reports. If you lack the necessary permissions, request access from the account administrator. Once all checks are completed, return to the Reports tab. Select Payments again to refresh the income reporting page. If the issue persists, consider clearing your browser cache and cookies. Log out and then back into your account to reset the session. You may also try accessing Seller Central from a different browser or device. If none of these steps work, contact Amazon Seller Support for assistance. Provide them with detailed information about the issue you are facing. They may require screenshots or specific examples to help resolve the problem. Once the issue is addressed, return to the Reports tab to verify that the income reporting is restored. Regularly check your reports to ensure they are up to date moving forward. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.